Well, welcome back, man. It's so good to be making videos again. That bike took up so much of my time, but now it's time to start doing some car mods now, and I can't wait because summer is here, and we know it disappears quick here in Canada. 4 months maximum, and that's it. So for today, I'm going to be working on the wife's car, the X5, because why not? I was still waiting for some parts on my car. So I'm gonna start working on this one. I'm gonna lower it first, and I'm gonna have to get some wheel because the one rear wheel is bent and it can't be repaired. But for now, we're gonna lower this machine because it sits way too high. I know it's SUV and everyone's gonna say it's supposed to sit high, but no. This is way too high. You could push your head between the wheel gap. No such thing around here. Not in this household anyway. So, everyone else is free to do what they want, but guess what? Around here, we mod shit, we lower shit, we put on wide wheels. That's what we do around here. So that's what we're gonna do right now. On the back, we have 32 1/4. On the front, we got 32. So it's a 1/4 inch higher at the back. Now, I hope it goes low enough, but let's see where it goes after we're done. Now let's look at the goodies we have. So we got some H&R lowering springs, and it comes with only 2 springs because on the rear it is, where the hell are they? I think this is it. It comes with, man, these are tiny. It comes with adjustable lowering links, and these are the ones that you use to lower the back, because it's on airbags, and this will actually makes the car level out. But man, they look so wimpy. Good thing it's from a trusted brand. So the 3 bolts for the shocks is under here, so we're gonna have to take this off. I already took that side off. We're gonna have to take this off, and this plastic piece here, they sure make it hard because there is one, I don't even know if you can, there's the 1 bolt right here, right there, and then the other 2 is hidden underneath there. So we have to take that off. And then we have to get the caliper out of the way because the hose is going to be in the way. The brake line, I mean. So I'm going to take the caliper off, hanging up, but I'm going to be cleaning up all this. So I'm just going to take everything off. But if you're doing this, you don't have to. So after we take the caliper off, this is where it starts to give problems. I mean, I had to bring out everything from the heat gun, the impact gun, the hammer, everything. Because all the corrosion from the snow got in there. Shine some light on there. And man, I had to heat it up, beat the hell out of it. So I'm gonna go buy 2 new bolts because I heated it up. And we're gonna have to take this link off. And that's pretty much it, I think. Yep. Oh, and then we have to loosen the bolt that hold the shock in down there. So all that has to come off. See, I put penetrating all and everything, but whew, yeah, good luck with that. I'm gonna see how this side works. But I'm gonna do all of that, and then I'm gonna come back and show, I won't show you guys me ripping everything off, but that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Let's see if luck is on my side, but I don't think so. I had penetrating oil on this for a while now, but let's give it some persuasion. So I put the nut back on here. I'm gonna try and hit it up, but no, that ain't moving. So heat is your friend, but you gotta be careful. But I'm gonna end up buying new ones anyway. So take this off because you don't want to burn the boot up there either.
Walk it like I talk it. 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 Walk it.
I haven't had to use this in a long time, but now I'm gonna put some pressure on it there and let it pop up. There she blows. It's good to have tools. Look at all the build up on that thing. Wow. So now when I put it back, I'm gonna put some silicone paste on it so it doesn't get all the corrosion on it. Now that's take that out. Now that's done, I can go ahead and disconnect all the sensors from over here, down here, and then I'm gonna loosen up this one down here that holds the shock. Okay, that holds the shock in, the 3 up the top, and then it's gonna fall out. Finally, everything is off. Now we just have to slide this down and pop it out.
That's on Tommy Campos. We live like some like I
That's it. One more screw.
talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh, walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I
And it's out. There's an old one, there's a new one. I don't see much difference in the length. Let's really hope it's worth all this effort and sweat and you know what. But I guess we'll see when we put the car in the ground. Now I gotta get these spring compressors on here. And this is the part I hate. I spend money on a good one here, but I'm having some issues with it. But it worked, but it's just not doing what it's supposed to do. These little clips here, where is it? Where's the other one? These little pins here are supposed to lock the spring in, but for some reason I can't get it to do it. And I'm not gonna spend all day messing around with it, so I'm just gonna do what I can for now and see where that goes. The other side worked great.
like I talk it. Ooh, walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh, walk it like I talk it. Hey, take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Big talks of the town, big boy gang moves. I like to walk around with my chain loose. She just bought a new ass, but got the same boobs. Hold up, dope scientist. Look it up. That's my sauce where you find it. That's my sauce. Look it up, find it. Adding up chase.
So after I put it together yesterday, I realized that I didn't put this boot on there. And then I had to go and take it back apart, and now it's back together. So now I'm just gonna reinstall it and put everything back together, and then I'll just show you guys what else I'm doing to this thing. So here's the lowering link that you have to change for the back. It's just one little nut here, one little nut down here, and that's all it takes to take it off. Springs are on, and now I'm about to put it on the ground, and I figured while I was in here doing the brakes, I might as well do some powder coating. So I powder coated the shield, the caliper. All I'm missing is the decal for this. They didn't arrive yet. So when they come, I just take this off, clean it up, put the decals on, put some clear coat over it, and she's good to go. But this is gonna look so good when I do get some new wheels for it, which I have to get because that back rim is no good. It's unfixable. So now I gotta get new wheels, because if I keep driving like that, it's gonna fuck up something back there. Oh, pardon my French. It's gonna mess up something back there. Now I'm gonna put the wheels on, let this thing settle, and then you guys are gonna get to see how this baby sits. And this is all it is. There's no room for the camera back there, but this is all it is. So I'm just gonna change this out, and then it will be completely done. And I gotta put it back on the wheels and see how low it goes. It is finally finished, and I'm telling you, it's looking good. So I detail the engine, I detail the interior, I do brakes all around, I did an oil change, I powder coated the brakes, I washed it, I buffed it twice, and I also ceramic coated. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. The back went down about 1.25 inches. The front, I'm having problem with one side. The left side just didn't go down enough. So I don't know what's going on with that left side. The right side is fine, the left side is giving me problems. But you know what, I'm gonna show you what it looks like now, because I'm telling you, going lowered is the way to be. Now, the back is down lower. I hope you guys can see it from here, because I'm telling you, this thing looks, this quad's so much better now. Can't wait to get some wheels on this. But she is looking good. And yeah, there's no plate on it, but we'll see how it goes. But she's just looking so mean now. Oh my lord, look at that thing. You could eat off of this thing. And something was living inside of here. I never went under the cover there when I bought it. I went under there the other day to clean it, and trust me, there was something living under there, but not anymore. Now she's all nice and clean. Hey Gavin, wanna give me some money to buy some wheels for this? Yeah, sure. Oh fuck, what kind of friend are you?
Sure. Drive the getaway car.
Well, that's it for now. Well guys, as you can see, it looks damn good. I hope the camera is picking it up, but I'm telling you, just seeing it in person. And now, I gotta get some wheels for it, because that back wheel is bent. And I don't wanna mess up the suspension, so I'm gonna get some wheels for it, but man, that's, it ain't cheap. But you know what? If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I still have to do exhaust on it. I'm gonna do some wrap on it. I'm gonna put new wheels on it. I'm also, if anyone has a JB4 and charge pipe for an X5, hit me up. Let me know because I would love to put that stuff on there. But can't find anything here in Canada, so I'm gonna have to search the States again. But if anyone here in Canada have anything, link me up and I'll see what we can do. But that's it for now. So laters.
Dope scientist. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. That's my sauce where you find it. That's my sauce. Look it up, find it. Adding up checks, don't mind it.